Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube because it's harder than it looks. Anyway, to start off I'll just mix it up. Okay, so as you can see it's all messed up. And so first thing you want to do is solve the white side and the first layer. And this is a beginner method, so yeah. Anyway, so to solve the first side and layer, you have to choose a side to do. I'm going to do this side as white. So it has a white, a red, and a blue piece. So I need to find a white piece with either red or blue. This one has blue and this one has red. And this one's a bit easier, so I'm going to do it. And since if I move this up, it puts the other one out of the way, I'm going to rotate the front side clockwise, like that. Then I can move this over here and put it up where it needs to be. So I have 2 white pieces and 2 red pieces. I'm going to get this bottom piece since they're really easy, and it's got blue and orange. So I'm going to move it under where it needs to go and over one more. Then I can rotate this side twice, and then it's up with the rest. Now this is the last piece, so it's normally the hardest. Put it right under where it needs to go and hold it like this. Rotate the front side clockwise or counterclockwise depending on how you need it. Then you can put the white with the other white and then back up. And you've solved the first side and the first layer. Now for the second side. You only need one algorithm, but you might have to do it a bunch of times. So what you do is you hold it, however, and if it's like this, well, not however, just hold it so that a yellow piece facing up is in the bottom left corner. Turn the right side up, the top side clockwise, right side down, top side clockwise, right side up, top side twice, bring it back down. I think I did that wrong. But just experiment and do that however. So I'll try it like this. Right side up, left side clockwise, right side down, top side clockwise, right side up, top side twice, right side down. And just keep doing that until you get a yellow piece and just one yellow piece facing up. And if it's like this, so it's one yellow and then all of the other yellows are facing the left, do the same thing, but keep it in this corner. Right side up, top side clockwise, right side down, top side clockwise, right side up, top side twice, right side down. Then there will still be one, but all of the yellows will be in the right corner. So then do it again, right side up, left side clockwise, right side down, left side clockwise, right side up, left side twice, right side down. Now, when you get this, this is not the only possibility, but if you get this, make sure the two that are together are facing away. And then what you need to do is turn the right side down, front side clockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side up, front side counterclockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side twice, and then you can turn it so that it is all solved. Now I'll get it so that it's the other possibility, if I can. Okay, yeah, so if it's like this, so that these two corners need to switch places, hold it however, and do the right side down, do the same little thing, right side down, front side clockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side up, front side counterclockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side twice. Then it should be like this. Remember, hold the two together away and do it again. Right side down, front side clockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side up, front side counterclockwise, right side down, back side twice, right side twice, and it's solved. So I know this wasn't the best, but it was my first cubing tutorial. Please tell me what you think, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!